Welcome back, everybody. You're with me, Sunny. We're at Hoi An tonight. We're at a little lively market area where there's a lot of boats, and we're about to take a little boat ride out to the wishing well area. The temperature is really nice out here tonight. It's very cool. So prices are all over, and we negotiated for this little boat here that carries about 10 people, and they brought down the price from 400,000 to 200,000, which is a little under $10 US. Here it is, these little things, paper things they put candles in, and you just, let it go in the ocean and make a wish. Hope it comes true. We found this little tofu dessert stand. She makes it all fresh. It's pretty good, really good actually, and very tasty. Oh no, this is pretty cool. We spent the rest of our night here, sitting around eating more foods and just enjoying the weather. If you like my content, please subscribe and like for future contents coming.